Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make orange creamsicle cookies. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 2 large eggs, 1/3 cup of oil, 1 box of orange cake mix, and then about 2 cups of white baking chips. We're going to use half of those for our cookies and reserve the other half for the top. In a large mixing bowl, we are going to stir together with an electric mixer our cake mix, oil, and 2 eggs. And then if your desired color of orange is not reached, you can add some orange food coloring to that. My dough is all mixed together, and mine was pretty orange, but I did add a few more drops of the orange food coloring just because I want these to be really bright orange. Now this dough is very thick, so I had to add the food coloring with the spatula. So next we are going to add in about half of our chocolate chips and just fold those in. That looks well incorporated to me. So next we are going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes, just because it's really sticky. With a few minutes still left on your timer, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. I just removed my dough from the refrigerator. Now I'm going to scoop about a tablespoon, scoop size cookie scooper here, and then I'm going to roll those into balls, and you should be able to get 18. And we're going to just put those on our prepared baking sheet. My first batch of 9 cookies is ready to go into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. My first batch of cookies just came out of the oven. I let mine cook for 10 minutes, and I did flatten them when there was like 3 minutes left. They were just too poofy, so I just took a spatula and just kind of pressed on them a little. But if you want yours to be poofy, that's fine. Then as soon as I brought them out here, I'm letting them cool on this cooling rack for about 5 minutes before I transfer them to my wire rack over here to cool completely. And I did already add some extra white chocolate chips to the top. That's totally up to you if you want to do that or not. All right, all of my cookies are ready to go. I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Hang on for a while. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.